Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Wisconsin's UST data. So I wanted to start by going over this blog post on Convenience Talk, which has and lists all the UST databases by state. So if you go down to Wisconsin, over here, and click on this link, it takes you to this site. And you can see there's different ways to actually search for the storage. Here is the storage tank database search, and then you can also download this MX Excel file. And so the search page looks like this, and I've already performed a search. So what I said is I wanted underground storage tanks. I wanted it to be federally regulated for it to contain unleaded gasoline. I want it to be in use, and I want the tank occupancy to be for retail fuel sales. And this is the list that came up. And you can see there's the facility owner, and there's some, obviously some other information. And so I went here and downloaded this. And so you can see from this that it gives you some information, but basically it gives you the same information that was on the screen. So the property address isn't a full address. So pretty much you know who the company is and sort of the address and the county it's in. But that's about it from this report. So I opened up the Excel sheet, the 88 megabyte spreadsheet, the other option on the site, and it is so much more rich in terms of information. I strongly recommend using this. You can see here there's the licensee, there's a facility name. Oh, and by the way, I have filtered this using in use as a tank status and retail in terms of the establishment, or tank occupancy they call it. But anyway, so there's a lot of good information, good contact information, and a great way to filter through to find a good list through the Excel sheet. And that's it for Wisconsin. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.